Gear up for the future of motorcycling with our list of the 20 must-have motorcycle gadgets designed to elevate your ride. From cutting-edge safety innovations to smart high-tech accessories, these gadgets redefine convenience, performance, and protection. Whether you're a daily commuter or an adventure rider, each item is built to enhance your experience and keep you connected, safe, and ahead of the curve on every journey. Number 20. Cardo Freecom One Plus. The Freecom One Plus is a rugged, affordable, and high-performance Bluetooth communication system that fits most helmets. Designed for riders who value clarity and convenience, it delivers excellent audio for radio, music, GPS, and calls. Built with premium sound and universal compatibility, it's ideal for solo riders seeking seamless connectivity on the road. For advanced features, the Cardo Freecom 4 Plus adds natural voice recognition and a 4-way Bluetooth intercom with up to 1.2 km range, all for just $139.95. Number 19. ABU's Granite Detecto X Plus. The ABU's Detecto X Plus 8008 alarm disc lock combines compact design with premium security, crafted from temper-hardened steel for maximum durability. Its advanced 3D alarm technology ensures reliable protection without false triggers, thanks to an automatic brake disc recognition system that only arms when properly mounted. Unlike other noisy locks, the 8008 remains silent during transport, making it convenient to carry in your pocket or bag. With smart engineering and easy usability, it's a dependable $199 investment in motorcycle security. Number 18. Xiaomi Tire Inflator. The Xiaomi Air Inflator is a compact, portable, and rechargeable tool designed to keep your tires perfectly inflated wherever you go. It features a bright LED/LCD digital display with preset pressure settings, making inflation quick and precise. With its powerful 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, it can inflate up to 150 psi, ideal for motorcycles, cars, bicycles, and even inflatables. Lightweight and easy to carry, this versatile gadget ensures you're always ready for the road or any outdoor adventure. Number 17. Traki 2020 Mini GPS Tracker. This compact GPS tracker is the ultimate solution to protect your motorcycle after investing in new gear. Designed to fit discreetly on any two-wheeler, it offers international coverage with unlimited range and comes equipped with an integrated SIM card. A monthly subscription is required to activate tracking, with flexible short or long-term plans available. For just $18.88, it provides a reliable, affordable, and worry-free way to keep your bike safe and traceable, anytime, anywhere you ride. Number 16. MTSCEN Helmet-Mounted LED Brake and Turn Signal Lights. Enhancing visibility to other motorists is vital for every rider's safety, and helmet-mounted LED lights offer a smart, effective solution. These lights wirelessly synchronize with your motorcycle's turn signals, brake, and hazard indicators, ensuring your intentions are instantly visible to everyone around you. Featuring high-intensity LEDs for maximum brightness in all lighting conditions and a long-lasting rechargeable battery, they provide reliable performance on every ride. By increasing your visibility, especially at night or in bad weather, this device greatly reduces the risk of collisions and boosts overall road safety. Number 15. Noco Genius One Battery Charger. The Noco Genius One is a compact yet powerful all-in-one battery charger, maintainer, trickle charger, and desulfator, 35% smaller and more powerful than the previous G750 model. It's designed for 6V and 12V lead-acid and lithium-ion LiFePO4 batteries, offering precision charging with an integrated thermal sensor that adjusts to temperature changes. Capable of charging dead batteries down to 0 volts using force mode, it also restores battery health by reversing sulfation. Safe for long-term connection, it's ideal for cars, motorcycles, boats, ATVs, and more. Includes clamps, eyelets, and a 3-year warranty. Number 14. GoPro Hero 8. The latest GoPro Hero is the most versatile and unshakable action camera ever made, designed for riders who demand pro-level performance. It features 3 levels of advanced stabilization, supports 1080p live streaming, and includes the impressive Time Warp 2.0 for ultra-smooth time-lapse shots. With optional expandable mods, it adapts to any adventure. Though priced at $349.99, Its legendary durability and crisp footage make it a top choice. Just remember to keep it charged and recording before every ride. Number 13. Disc Lock Alarm System. A disc lock alarm is a compact yet powerful security device that helps prevent motorcycle theft by locking the brake disc and sounding a piercing 120 dB alarm if tampered with. Featuring motion detection, it instantly triggers when movement is detected, scaring off potential thieves. Its portable design makes it easy to store in a tank bag, offering reliable protection wherever you park. With quality models starting around $40, it's a smart and affordable security upgrade. Number 12. Time8 Tire Pressure Monitoring Systems. Proper tire pressure is essential for maintaining control, safety, and efficiency while riding. A tire pressure monitoring system continuously tracks tire pressure in real time, using wireless sensors that are simple to install and require no complicated wiring. It instantly alerts riders to any significant pressure drops or abnormalities, ensuring quick response and prevention of potential issues. By keeping your tires properly inflated, you improve fuel efficiency, extend tire life, and reduce the risk of accidents. Number 11. FOD Sports Bluetooth Intercom Systems. Communication on the road is vital, especially during group rides, and Bluetooth intercom systems make it seamless. These devices offer multi-rider connectivity, allowing several riders to communicate clearly over long distances. Advanced noise cancellation ensures crisp audio, even at highway speeds, while music sharing lets riders enjoy the same tunes during the journey. Staying connected not only boosts safety but also makes every ride more enjoyable. Options like the FOD Sports FX7 support up to 10 riders with an impressive 2,000-meter range, keeping everyone in sync. Number 10. Vaughan 5-inch Motorcycle CarPlay GPS Navigation System. Whether you're commuting through the city or exploring offbeat trails, having a reliable GPS built specifically for motorcycles can make all the difference. Modern motorcycle GPS devices are engineered for the unique needs of riders, offering glove-friendly touchscreens so you can operate them without removing your gear, and durable weather-resistant designs that laugh in the face of rain, dust, and wind. Real-time traffic updates help you avoid congestion, while detailed maps and smart routing ensure you stay on course no matter where the road leads. Beyond simple navigation, these devices enhance your overall riding experience, keeping your focus on the journey rather than your phone or paper maps. A dedicated motorcycle GPS isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about riding smarter, safer, and with confidence, knowing you've got a co-pilot built to handle every twist, turn, and adventure the open road throws your way. Number 9. Smartphone Mounts with Wireless Charging. Keeping your smartphone accessible and charged during rides is crucial for navigation and communication. Modern phone mounts now combine secure grip, wireless charging, and vibration dampening to enhance your ride experience. With universal compatibility, they fit a wide range of phone sizes, while Qi wireless charging eliminates messy cables. The built-in vibration isolation protects your phone from constant road jitters, ensuring it stays safe, visible, and fully powered for uninterrupted navigation and seamless connectivity throughout your journey. Number 8. Helmet Rain Repellent. Riding in the rain can be tough, especially when water droplets blur your vision. Helmet rain repellents use a hydrophobic formula that helps water bead off your visor, ensuring a clearer view in wet weather. They're easy to apply, long-lasting, and some even include anti-fog properties for added protection. By keeping your visor free from rain and mist, these repellents enhance safety and comfort, allowing you to focus on the ride instead of constantly wiping your helmet. Number 7. Motorcycle Airbag Vest. Motorcyclists have always prioritized safety, and airbag vests are one of the most advanced innovations to hit the road. These smart vests instantly deploy airbags when sensors detect a crash, providing crucial protection to the rider's torso, spine, and neck. The system inflates within milliseconds, dramatically reducing the impact of falls or collisions. Designed for practicality, most models are reusable. You can simply replace the CO2 cartridge and reset the vest after deployment. This technology acts as a powerful safety net alongside traditional gear like helmets and armored jackets. One standout example is the Harley-Davidson X Dainese Smart Vest, which integrates advanced airbag tech to offer next-level rider protection without compromising comfort or style. Whether you ride daily or on weekends, An airbag vest adds a vital layer of defense that could make all the difference when things go wrong, keeping safety as cool as it is smart. Number 6. Augmented Reality (AR) Helmets. Imagine riding with real-time data projected directly onto your helmet visor. Navigation, speed, and hazard alerts all visible without ever looking down. Augmented reality (AR) helmets are set to transform motorcycle safety and convenience in 2025, blending technology and awareness like never before. Leading brands such as BMW Motorrad and Nuvise are developing smart helmets that overlay turn-by-turn GPS directions, collision warnings, and even rear-view camera feeds right into your line of sight. Voice control ensures completely hands-free operation, allowing you to adjust settings or take calls safely. By reducing the need to glance at handlebar-mounted screens, AR helmets help riders maintain full focus on the road ahead. Expected to arrive in late 2024 with prices between $800 and $1,500, these helmets promise a game-changing leap in rider technology, merging connectivity, safety, and performance into one futuristic piece of gear. Number 5. Nextool Outdoor Flashlight. The Nextool Outdoor Flashlight is a compact yet powerful multi-purpose tool designed for outdoor and emergency use. It features a strong magnetic strip that easily attaches to any metal part of your bike, providing hands-free lighting for night repairs. With a loud 90 dB emergency alarm and flashing warning lights, it ensures visibility and safety in critical situations. Equipped with a 2,600 mAh 3.6V battery, it can also charge your phone or other devices. Depending on brightness levels, 1,000 to 40 lumens, it delivers 2.5 hours to a full day of runtime. Number 4. Betul Tire Repair Kit. Priced at just $16.89, the Betul Tire Repair Kit is an essential companion for every rider who values safety and convenience. A flat tire can instantly ruin your ride and pose a serious risk, but this compact, all-in-one kit ensures you're always prepared. It includes a durable T-handle insert tool, T-handle spiral, L-hex key, kit lubricant, 15 repair plugs, 2 tire valve stems, and a 4-way valve stem tool, everything needed to fix punctures fast and get back on the road. Perfect for both motorcycles and cars, this affordable kit offers peace of mind wherever your journey takes you. Number 3. Ride Vision 2 Pro. Ride Vision is a smart motorcycle safety system designed to enhance awareness without distraction. It features mirror-mounted visual alerts that warn riders of potential collisions, using 2 wide-angle cameras that continuously record every ride. The footage and performance data can be accessed through the Ride Vision app. Powered directly by the bike's battery, it starts automatically with the ignition and consumes minimal power, about the same as a phone charger. Priced around $360, it's an intelligent, effortless safety upgrade for modern riders. Number 2. Klim AI One Airbag Vest. The KLIM Airbag Vest may be the most expensive item on our list, but it's a wise investment compared to the cost of hospital bills after an accident. As the motorcycle industry's first untethered airbag system, it delivers advanced impact protection while fitting comfortably under most jackets and leathers. Activation requires the in and motion subscription service, available for purchase or lease. At $399, this premium vest offers cutting-edge safety technology and invaluable peace of mind for serious riders. Number 1. Motorcycle Gear Indicator LED Display Plug. The perfect gadget for beginner riders whose motorcycles don't come with a built-in gear display, this smart gear indicator helps you instantly see which gear you're in, so you'll never have to guess again. Compatible with a wide range of bikes, check the model list in the link, it offers 3 customizable LED colors for easy visibility in any lighting condition. Installation is simple and fast. All you need are your hands, a quick video guide, and you're ready to ride. Price: $52.99. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.